Eyes are on the financial markets after the weekend collapse of two banks.
Yeah, the president spoke before the markets opened this morning, reassuring Americans that the financial system is safe. Brian Flores in our newsroom right now with more on what the president said and, of course, what happens to all the money in said banks. Hi, Brian.
Hey, guys. Good morning. So yesterday, Signature Bank, which is a bank in New York, which went big on crypto, that bank failed. It's the second failure in just 72 hours and the third largest bank failure in U.S. history. Now, Liz, as you mentioned, the president says he would seek to hold those responsible accountable and also ask for more adequate oversight of larger banks. And then on Friday, we reported on this, U.S. regulators closed Silicon Valley Bank after what was described as a traditional bank run where depositors basically rushed to withdraw their money all at once. Tied to that, according to lawmakers, was that depositors also feared banks would fail after higher interest rates caused long-term treasury bonds to lose value. The bank stock prices then crashed. But a report also reveals just hours before, employees received their annual bonuses. And so while holdings will now be covered beyond the $250,000 insured by the FDIC, the president earlier this morning tried to calm fears for the rest of us taxpayers.
No losses will be, and this is an important point, no losses will be borne by the taxpayers. Let me repeat that. No losses will be borne by the taxpayers. Instead, the money will come from the fees that banks pay into the Deposit Insurance Fund.
So the president also says bank management of these banks should be fired. He also said bank investors will not be protected and there will be a full review of how this happens so people responsible can again be held accountable. Meanwhile, the markets are reacting to this news. So far, the sharpest drops were, of course, coming from banks because of this volatility. In fact, some bank stocks have halted because of it. First Republic Bank, for example, their shares plunged more than 60% in early trading, despite announcing more funding from the Fed and J.P. Morgan Chase. In the newsroom, Brian Flores, Fox 13 News.
Brian, thanks.